Nilight H4 9003 LED headlight bulb, 350% brighter than halogens. Equipped with high luminous efficacy CSP chips and 6000K cool white, H4 LED headlight bulb provides further and wider visibility for you to see the deer, wild animals, falling rocks or obstacles in advance to ensure safer driving at night. Ideal beam pattern. Nilight 9003 LED headlight bulb enhances super focused beam pattern for optimal light, shape and clearer visibility, no dark spots or shadow areas, no blinding or glare to oncoming drivers, avoiding scattered light problem to ensure safety. 10 mins easy install, bullet-in driver and non-polarity plug for taking up less space in housing. 1.1 mini size as halogen for higher compatibility, truly plug-and-play, quick install in 10 mins. 9003 LED bulb smoothly fits into vehicle's housing and factory, sockets even with limited space in headlight housing, no retrofitment required, no radio interference.